Hello, friends. Dominoes 7 back again. Okay. So, I wonder what's going on here. Okay. Oh, they also having a video game segment over here. Okay. So, this is Super Smash Brothers. This is Super Smash. Oh, they're probably showing how y'all doing? All right. I'm doing the show in case you're wondering. So I want you to think I'm talking to myself. So anyway, y'all, this is a good competition right here. You know. So. Oh no! Oh, Pac-Man versus Mario. How y'all doing?
All of his buttons don't work in this game. In Ultimate, they made all of his buttons work.
Oh, this the Ultimate?
The better game is up there.
Is it the Ultimate one?
No, the Ultimate's up there.
Oh, what this is?
This is the previous game.
Oh, the previous one. Okay. I have a GameCube, all that. You know. I have this, but
Ballet's over there. That's the one before this.
Oh, okay. And by the way, would you like to be on my show? My YouTube show. You're on the show. Oh. All right. All right. So anyway, it playing the one on the Wii U. So, are you sad about the last Mechacon?
No, this is my first one. Actually.
Your first and last one, right?
First and last.
Yeah. But go to. Okay. All right. And by the way, make sure you check out the show on YouTube. Yeah. All right. Y'all on the show? Oh yeah. I'm sorry to do that. All right. So So anyway. Oh, how you doing? Sorry about that. I was in your way. All right, I don't want you to think I'm talking to myself, you know. I'm doing a show, a Facebook Live, but it's going to eventually go on YouTube. All right, so, so anyway, ladies and gentlemen, so much love up in here and everything. How you doing? I'm doing the show in case you're wondering. Would you like to be on the show? Huh? Huh?
Not particularly.
Oh, because I'm recording right now.
I don't care.
Oh, okay. So you're on the show right now?
Hi.
All right. So this is well actually this is my Facebook Live, you know, and this is my recording right here, you know. So this your first and last Mechacon?
This is my first.
First and last, you know.
Yep.
So they're canceling Mechacon, you know. They're canceling Mechacon this year.
Yeah, I heard.
Oh yeah. Would you go to Wizard World Comic Con?
No, no, I haven't.
Huh?
No, I haven't gone.
Oh, so it's coming up in January if they don't cancel it due to the pandemic. You know.
Yeah.
So it's going to be at the convention center. Where you from?
I'm from Mississippi.
Oh, okay. Remember, you could come back for Wizard World Comic Con anytime.
I don't know. I might. I haven't thought about it.
What's your name? If y'all mind asking?
I'm Ellie.
All right, just your first name. Don't say your full name,
Yeah.
because the full name is not allowed to be mentioned on my show,
Okay.
unless you want to be recognized. But that's my rule, you know. And by the way, my boss is the Lord.
Oh,
Because you know, God gave me my show. God can take it away from me.
true.
All right. Nice to meet you. Yeah?
Nice to meet you.
All right. So make sure you watch the show on YouTube. Yeah.
Okay.
Mechacon one last time. Domino 7 show Mechacon one last time. All righty. So as y'all see, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, I don't know. So Oh, the Street Fighter?
This is Third Strike.
Third Strike. All right. Third Strike. I had this on the anniversary collection.
Anniversary collection is It's laggy.
All right, so
This is like arcade perfect. We got-
y'all on the show right now.
We on the show? What show?
My YouTube show.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
What's up, chat? How y'all doing?
It's the Domino 7 show.
The Domino 7 show. Oh,
Yeah, you can call me Domino.
All right. Nice to meet you, Domino. I'm Cat Dad.
Huh?
I'm Cat Dad. Nice to meet you.
All right.
I'm sim games too much.
Okay. Yeah.
We've been getting games for the past like half hour.
Oh,
It's
and
been a blast.
hey, y'all can watch my show. I got so many games.
Oh, hell yeah, bro.
PlayStation 4,
PlayStation 4.
3, 2.
2. 1.
Well, I collect the PlayStation 1 games, but I don't. But I have a PlayStation 1 right now.
I see. Okay.
Well, I would say I don't have it no more. You know, but I don't have it for now because I lost that at Katrina.
Oh yeah, you can see it.
So y'all gonna watch the show?
We're gonna see. I know I'm gonna be at the con and all. I might not remember, but I'm gonna be here a lot of the time. If you come see me,
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna subscribe.
Okay, it's called Domino 866.
Domino 866.
All right, yeah. Yeah, but anyway, my auntie is probably watching the show right now. She want me to be careful, you know.
Yeah, I got you.
Yep.
You'll have a good time with the con, bro.
Huh?
Have a good time with the con, bro.
All right. All right. All right. Nice meeting y'all. Yeah.
Of course, bro.
I hope y'all watch the show, and I hope I see y'all at Wizard World Comic Con. Huh?
We'll see.
All right. All right. So,
All 10 players that you're playing in the Second 7 tournament, please meet at the top of my ears.
all right.
All Second 7 tournaments,
So, oh, what was this? Look, a sword fight they about to do? Let's go see what they're about to do. All right. All right, I thought that they was going to do a sword fight. Is they about to do it? All right. So much love in here. I love it. All right. Hey, y'all about to do a sword fight? All right. I'm about to do it. Hope they do it. We'll step right here. All right. All right. Oh, that's wonderful. I like that. All right. Yeah. It's always some good here, you know.
You don't need to worry about it if you don't want to.
All right. As I say, ladies and gentlemen, you know, so like I said, I'm so glad to. Oh, never mind that. Never mind that. I was about to look at something. So yep. So anyway, so much love up in here, though. I mean, I really enjoy my life, though. How you doing? All right, so anyway, as I go down this hall, though. All right, so Kristen and Allie is not here today. Well, at least not today. And my friend Philip is watching. All right, so that part, ladies and gentlemen, I would. Oh, sorry, y'all. So I almost in their way and stuff like that. I got to stay out of people's way, you know. Or let me go see what's on the second floor before I go anywhere else. Look how high up we are. I'm totally afraid. Oh, I'm hydrophobic, y'all. I don't really like. I know it's a glass balcony, but seriously, I don't like to look over, you know. So So, that poor lady, so that poor, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to, how y'all doing? All right, so that poor, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to, so anyway, so many people don't recognize me though. Some people heard of me. Let's walk down these stairs. One of the elevators is stuck, you know. Should I say one of the elevators is not working? Okay. So let's go down these stairs, stuff like that, you know. So the way I exercise backwards, yeah, exercise backwards. So as I was saying, y'all, as I walk back here, back there, and stuff like that. Hey. All right. Unfortunately, my live stream has stopped. Yeah.
Yeah, I don't really get service in here.
Oh yeah. So I was doing a Facebook Live just now, and it. Oh, what's happening, y'all? I'm back. Sorry about that. Sorry about that, y'all. It was poor wireless in here, you know. So would y'all like to be on the show? All right. So I'm not gonna put y'all on here. My auntie watching it, and she'll tell me don't do it, you know, because my auntie be watching me, you know. Make sure nothing don't happen to me, you know. All right. So are y'all sad about this? The last Mechacon?
Yeah, they never really been. So, yeah, this is my first one I got. And last, I guess.
First and last. Okay. So anyway, I hope y'all only here just for the day, huh?
Oh, we did the whole weekend.
Okay, me too. So I hope y'all would like to be on the show one day.
Maybe.
I hope tomorrow. Well, let me stop. I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Okay. All right.